We have a special event here at Calvary this weekend, July 14th, the ordination of Alex Smith. Ordination and installation, obviously installation means he's going to be our pastor now, but an ordination, that means he is ordained into the office of the public ministry and he will receive a stole much like this one. What is a stole? A stole is wore around the pastor's neck, much like a yoke is placed on a horse or on an oxen. And this stole is a reminder of the burden or the load that one must carry as a pastor in the office of ministry. And every time this is put on, it reminds us that we're to preach the Word of God and share it in its fullness. So I hope you can come out. Ordination is very special. We'll have pastors from all the way Sioux City, Lamar's, and our surrounding area, and come and place their hands on him, and he will receive words from God, from the Bible, and prayers from all the people. Come out, 4 p.m., and then afterwards we'll celebrate together with a dinner that is provided for us. Jesus Christ be with you, and of course, then beforehand, also make sure you come to service in the morning at 9 a.m. We're going to look at predestination and how we're blessed, we're predestined, and we're also instructed in the mysteries of God. And I'm thankful we also have Vacation Bible School this week. There's a lot going on. And then on Friday, Ice Cream Social. Saturday, we're going to take a rebuilding project up to Haywarden. We'll leave here at 9 and get at Trinity Haywarden at 10. Lots going on. Hope you can be a part of it. Come and watch or come and participate. Jesus be with you.